So, kailangan, i-separate iniya ang mga batteries, ang mga wires na nag-bill nga nakuan, na usa nga, usa nga, may explosive. Tapos, kailangan gyapon pag masulot mo yung metal can, bago mag-sulot ang metal can, kailangan kuha mo niya taper, tapos at siya na pagkuha, tapos ibubuka mo ng metal can, and then, butang mo na initials, and date, ang exhibit number. So, put a 35 gram sample to suspected explosive in a small, clean, unused metal container. So, 35 samples na mga nabibil nga nito niya laha. Suspected explosive, ibutang mo iya, usagyan pa metal can, tapos ibutang mo iya, mamarkahan mo iya po niya para may dakakuha niya. Ito, target pa. Tapos, avoid na explosive through mail. Tapos, naman kita fabrics. Ano fabrics? Tela. Basta dito fabric. This fabric discovered at a crime scene or missing from the crime scene should be collected since this may be supportive or necessary evidence that can connect a suspect to the crime or eliminate him from consideration. So, ini na nakita yung fabrics, diri masari ka. Tela la ito, diri mo yan kukuhaon. Kasi, posible ito makabulay ga ay investigation ang mga kailangan bisan tela yung kukuhaon mo. Kailangan ano yan. Tapos, large articles. Mga large articles. Siya na mga large. Dagpo. A. Make sure that the correct position of any large material such as a holstered chair or mattress is recorded prior to its removal and collection. So ito na mga nakita ng mga kuha collect tapos kuha niya ma-record na may date nga. So ito na kuha din na mga na-collect. Hindi pa.
Start.
So, habi naman, air dry wet surfaces before packing. Kasi when folding a fabric, make sure the ripped edges are protected. Put the fabric in a clean bag with fasten and mark. Avoid packaging petroleum-based materials in plastic bags or bottles. Tignan mo diba niyo? If cutting the fabric cannot be avoided, be careful not to cut across the vital areas such as bullet holes or wound areas. Never stretch and tear fabrics. So, hain naman put large articles such as mattresses in a holstered chair in large crates or boxes. Pag makabili kang chair na may kuhan, kailangan mo kami box na dako talaga. O chair, butang mo yun. So, F, mark all the evidence with initials, the date, and exhibit number to Singapore. Butangan mo yung mark mga initials, date, and Tapos G, if possible, collect a comparison standard. Singapore na mga unang mga kuhan. So, small articles naman, small articles, A, search for small articles or fabric on a victim's mouth, feet, or hands. Use tweezers to pick up small fibers so that ripped edges are protected. So, hindi pag bukan kailangan basta maintindihan ko ninyo, air dry the wet surface of the fabrics before packaging. Make sure these surfaces are covered with non-abrasive materials before settling. C, put small fabrics in containers large enough so that they would not be folded. Folding can cause alteration or threads. D, be extra careful with handling fabric impressions from base metals or resistant fabric. E, pack fabric impressions separate in glass or plastic vials or any appropriate container. Fasten the container and mark with initials, the date, and exhibit number. The F, collect a comparison standard. So, di naman kita ang comparison standard. fingerprints. Fingerprints. Latent impressions, regardless of the area of the ridges presence, are of the greatest importance to the criminal investigator, and their identification may solve the crime and result in successful prosecution of the suspect. So, fingerprints. Ano din? Tawag ini? Gusto siya nun, kailangan mag-contact, latent impression, kay, nasi nga din, importance to the criminal investigator as their identification may solve the crime and result in the prosecution of the subject. So, ngayon kita, unobserved materials. So, A, puts the observed material in a plastic bag, mark the bag with initials, the date, and an exhibit number. So, ang mga nakuha ng mga observed na materials, inubutan niya ako sa mga plastic bag ng mga inubutan mark, an initials, and date, and an exhibit number. B, do not directly handle the materials with your fingers. Wear a pair of light cloth gloves, handle an object only by its edges or surfaces in solar as it is necessary. So, kailangan mag-wear gloves. Kung magkakapot ka, basta nga may the fingerprint, kailangan haligid lang. Hindi pwede mukap lang ito. Kapag di ba na ano niya. So, hasi naman, avoid processing the fingerprints on observing surfaces unless you are trained to perform such a function. So, D, collect standard fingerprints that were properly and eligibly taken for comparison. So, pag nakukuha ka ng standard fingerprints, so, compare. Halimbawa, kung makuha ka sa mga sa may damang suspected person, compare ito na fingerprint na nasuspect, ito na suspected person. Bilang kita on hard objects. Developing Latin prints. So, A, no attempt should be made to brush or apply powder to prison dust. And to greasy or bloody prints, this will surely destroy them. Objects which have been wet or immersed in water may still bear identifiable latent impression. Before any examination is attempted, however, the object must be dried. So, sir nga din, ayoko mo pag i-brush pa tayo or butangan in powder, ano sa nga print, labi na kon, maulus pa, ay, alay.
Sa front.
Because they will surely destroy them. Kasi nga din, ay siya na, ay dahil pag butangin, ay pag i-brush, labi na kung maulus kayo, posible ito, madadarala ito nga, di ba pag nagpangkitas to, na nadadarala ang mga frames pag i-brush tayo. Sabi, when latent is plainly visible, it should be photographed before any effort is made to develop. Kasi rin nga din, at kung mismo kita na ang print nga da, kailangan i-photography tapos before any effort is made to develop it. C. Remove dust and other foreign matters by blowing or frying the suspected surface. So, di ba pag nagbubutabit nga nito ang fingerprints, meron na nagtitigil ko. Kailangan may kulit na mga uwang tao. Magpapakita. Hadi naman, place a quantity of powder na clean sheet of paper. Pang makuno. Sakto lang ako nito sa makuno paper. pag-brush. Na kung narurubat na hinay lang pag-brush. I, with the appearance of the impressions, powder your brush and go over the prints once or twice. Then tap off surplus powder from the brush and touch on the print by removing the surplus powder on and around the print. Di ba pag natanggalan ka na ligid niya, di ba may prints na klaro ng prints, natanggalan na ligid mga sarang para di rin makuha. Tapos dito naman get lifting lateral braids. So, get a piece of lifting tape from the roll without cutting. Do not jerk, but pull slowly and gradually, not straight out from the roll, but back and downward. Di ba lagi mong gettuan? Natungan niya may lampara. Ang siya ito ng pagbuta, magkukuha tape. Di ba nagkaka? Magkukuha tape, ibubutang mo. Ihinayin mo lang pagbuta. Tapos, B naman, dito lagi na procedure. Hold the roll in one hand and the tape in the other. Place the end of the tape about 1/2 inch in front of the print and firmly press the tape evenly over the print by sliding your thumb over it. Yo, pag isul nga tinay. Butang mo din ang tape, tapos hinainan yung pagtilubos para dito may mga lubo-lubo para dito magkuhan. So, C naman, remove the tape from the surface by pulling slowly until the tape is almost entirely clear from the surface. Tanggalon yung hinay. D, cut off the section used and amount the liquid base and of crime safety with this logbook. So, di ba, ikakat mo, tapos yung butang mo yung with this logbook. So, E, during the entire operation, never touch the gum side of the tape. So, di naman yung pwede kapitan ng tape na ikuan mo ito, may print. So, F now, mark fingerprint evidence collected properly with your initials, the date and location, and have it initiate by at least 2 witnesses. So, pag magkuha ka nga, kailangan mag-markam ito na yung ikuha, tapos kailangan dapat duwa ma-witness na ikaw ito nagkuha na ikuha. Print. So, G naman, collect standard fingerprints which were properly and legibly taken for comparison. So, magpapagya kung para pag collect standard ng fingerprints, kailangan para mag-compare ba sa mga prints. So, magandang kita on soft surfaces. So, be extra careful in extracting fingerprint impression on soft surfaces such as spotting. Permit as much excess material surrounding the fingerprints as possible. B. Paste the material with the fingerprints on a sniff cardboard surface. Di ba pag makabilig fingerprint, hamayo mo na kuan, kailangan ibutang mo yan sa mga cardboard para mas makuan talaga ang print. Mark the cardboard surface with your initial, the date, and an exhibit number. Butang mo yapon niya marks. C. Tape a paper cup or glass baby food jar on the evidence for protection. Do not touch the fingerprint. D. Collect a comparison standard. Submit the tape containing a fingerprint impression to the laboratory in the condition when it was found. So, ito na kuan on soft surfaces. Mali naman kita on skin na like akon na print. A. Fingerprint may be found on the victim's skin, especially if the suspect held him or her. Collect the print immediately since fingerprints on the skin deteriorate rapidly. So, pag di ba, sa suspect, mabagin na rin. Kasi kung talaga iya, di ba, may laman niya din na bibili ng mga fingerprints. So, kailangan i-collect niya, kailangan makolekit tayo. When extracting the prints, use methods like dusting, chemical, electronic, and photographic techniques. Avoid washing the skin area prior to processing of the fingerprints. So, B naman, collect a comparison standard, gather and identify the fingerprints of the suspect and the victim and those who touch an object under investigation. Put the fingerprint